Hello investors, today we'll check AT&T, one of the best dividend stocks for now. So let me tell you a few words about this company. The wireless business contributes about 2/3 of AT&T revenue following of the spin-off of Warner Media, and the firm is the third largest US wireless carrier, connecting 68 million postpaid and 17 prepaid phone customers. So let's check it technical analysis using the Elliott wave. It's a monthly time frame, so in my mind it was the first wave, the second, the third. Here it was usually the third is the largest wave in impulse, and now in my mind we are in a correctional wave 4. So it was ABC here, another ABC move, and now we are finishing this move, ABC move here, right here. Actually it's decreasing channel. So in my mind here maybe 14 12 about these levels, this area, the correction might finish. Also please check that here this level about 15 we have a major support level. It is a support level since 2002, so last 20 years. Usually we saw a bounce from this level. So of course then after the correction here will finish, I can't tell in certain when and at what price it will finish, but I can tell you that its value is P ratio, PS ratio, also it's a profitable company, net margin 14, so it's very nice. The dividend yield is it's okay. And then of course I'm expecting the move of fifth wave, and usually the fifth wave is higher than the third. So in the future, maybe in 3 years, 4 years, I see AT&T about 50 bucks. So in this case there is a nice potential of 200%. So we'll see, of course, but all this year you can see you can receive also a nice dividends. Also please check that here the RSI, the momentum indicator, is already 32. So on the monthly basis we are already oversold. The weekly it's a little bit lower, it's 26. So now it's not a bad point to buy this stock. And now let's check it fundamental parameters. We can see the debt to EBITDA ratio is less than 3, so it's okay. The interest coverage at 3 and 66, it's not so high, but generally it's so good. Of course not its financial position not so high as Google, Amazon, or Facebook, or all the other top stocks, because this company already has a lot of debt. But anyway, debt for the future few years, it's covered, but it operational income. About the profitability, yeah, it's a profitable company, so I'm not doubt that it can continue paying it dividends. The gross margin is 54, net margin is more than 10, so it's very nice. And here the value, yeah, the value is very interesting here, because P ratio is only 5, so it's very cheap, and the PS ratio also less than 1, so it's in my mind it's undervalued stock, because $1 of revenue you can buy for 74 cents, so it's very nice. And of course let's check the dividend, yeah, the dividend yield. So we can see that the payout ratio less than 1, so there is potential even to increase it dividends. Now its current dividend yield is 7.5%. Also the company performing buyback of its shares, so it's also a very nice sign. So generally speaking, of course it's not a growth stock, but here when the dividend is very attractive, very impressive, it's more than 7%. Also the market cap is $1 billion, so I'm sure it's won't go to bankruptcy. And instead of the technical analysis, yeah, you can see by yourself that here major support level, the fourth wave, it's correctional one. Of course, from here we can start to see the bounce. But now we are in a recession. the high interest rates, the Fed interest rate hikes, but sometime in the near future I'm expecting it to finish. So then of course the AT&T and all the other stocks, the stock market itself will start to bounce. But anyway, if you want to find and to buy a nice stable dividends, in my mind, AT&T for October 2022, so AT&T is best buy. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and see you on the next time. Bye.